Microsoft, the world's largest software company, 640,000 plus partners working in 150 plus countries, generating a revenue of over 30 lakh crores. It takes a lot of courage and perseverance to shine among this great peer group. One Indian company has done this again and again for the past consecutive 10 years.
The Microsoft Worldwide Partner Conference. It's like the Olympics of software business.
An amazing showcase of teamwork and talent. That's really what we're here to celebrate more than anything else here at WPC 2012. I'm John Roskill. I'm the Vice President of the Worldwide Partner Group at Microsoft. There are over 16,000 of you here in the room with me today. Partners are part of the Microsoft DNA, and you're out there every day getting wins. Let's take a look at a few. Quadra Systems, a partner from India. They are the sales, Quadra Systems, yeah, it must be over here. The Sales Management Partner of the Year. Amazing, amazing business. Up 110% in profits year over year. Their deal size is up 34%.
Yes, we have taken India to the world stage. Not once, not twice, but an amazing 10 consecutive times. We are Quadra Systems. Quadra Systems provides software solutions for diverse businesses to run their operations smoothly. Our solutions run tirelessly behind the scenes, providing technology efficiency to companies. We give organizations the power to harness the complete potential of their software. The next time you finish your banking in a jiffy, think of Quadra. One of the largest private sector banks in India runs on our solutions. When your air conditioning runs tirelessly in the summer, think of Quadra. Our solutions drive one of India's most modern power plants. Happy with the ultra-smooth checkout while shopping? Think of Quadra. Our solutions power the operations of one of the largest textile retailers. Oil and gas, education, analytics, construction, print media, insurance, BPO, hospitality, pharmaceuticals. Name any domain, and the leaders in the domain work with Quadra as their preferred IT infrastructure vendor. Quadra began its amazing journey in 2000 when two young men armed with an MBA from the prestigious PSG College of Technology decided to create business rather than follow it. Nagaraj and Prashant had no experience and very little resources, but they had passion and the will to explore untraveled paths. It was a tough time to enter the software business, but the two young men had a long-term vision and were ready for the long haul. Starting out with niche analytics software, they quickly made an impact in the market and were noticed by Microsoft. Microsoft saw the potential in Quadra and a great partnership was born. Since then, there has been no looking back. Today, Quadra is the most awarded partner for Microsoft. Quadra is also a highly valued vendor for some of the best software and technology companies of the world, including IBM, HP, Adobe, Citrix, Oracle, and many more. Within 14 years from being a two-member company, Quadra has today grown to 100 plus consultants who, armed with 500 certifications, are empowering thousands of crores of business. It is also an exciting place to work. Fun and innovation combined together with a common passion to be the best. Strong relationships with clients and principals, and an environment that fosters entrepreneurship have been the hallmark of Quadra's success. Performance makes a winner. Consistency makes a champion. Quadra has been consistently shining on the world and national stage. Worldwide Partner of the Year Award for Technology Innovation. Quadra is the first and only partner from India to be recognized with the award for the past 10 consecutive years. Quadra's director is the winner of the first Individual Excellence Award instituted by Microsoft. Innumerable awards and accolades from Adobe, Oracle, Symantec, and various technology publications have come Quadra's way. Our innovative case studies have been trendsetters for the entire industry. Our promoters have been showcased on billboards and global websites of Microsoft. Quadra is one among only 10 companies worldwide to be featured as part of Microsoft's 30-year history. Quadra was recently recognized with the Coimbatore Management Association's Best SME Award. Quadra believes strongly in giving back to society and is actively involved in the development of industry as well as social activity. Prashant is actively involved with CII as a member of their zonal council and is the chairman of their flagship IT event CII Connect. Nagaraj is among the founding members of VIDIAL, an NGO which provides complete funding for higher education to poor students. Both the directors are regularly involved in motivating students on entrepreneurship and technology by delivering talks in colleges. Constantly creating value, consistently building trust, continuously innovating. We have created our mark as one of the best in the industry. But this is just the beginning. The entire world's our stage, and we will keep sweating it out. So you keep shining. We are Quadra Systems.